Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert a chart, how to adjust a chart, how to add more series chart, create a combination chart so they communicate information effectively. What is chart? A chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate data graphically. Charts allow us to see the meaning behind the numbers and they make showing comparisons and trends much easier. To insert a chart, I have to select the data range, then press Ctrl and F1, Alt and F1. By default, a column chart will appear. To change the chart, I have to go to the change type, and by clicking a number of chart options is available. From this I can choose the chart type. I can choose the chart types. Now type of charts. There are 10 types of charts available. They are column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, XY scattered chart, stock chart, surface chart, radar chart and combo or combination chart. Now let's see one by one. First is column chart. Data that's arranged in columns and rows on a worksheet can be plotted in a column chart. It displays the category along the horizontal category and values along the vertical axis as shown in the chart. This is the column chart. Let's first delete this one. For insert a chart, I have to select the data range and then press Alt and F1 button. The column chart appears. From this I can change the color, styles, etc. You see there are numbers of styles designs is available. This is called column chart. Next is line chart. In a line chart category, data is distributed evenly along the horizontal axis and all value data is distributed evenly along the vertical axis. This is the line chart. First I delete this chart. I delete the chart. Then select this data range and press Alt and F1. By default column chart appears. Then I will go change data type and from here I will select the line chart. One style I have select this one and you see this is the line chart. From this chart style I can change the data this way. By clicking the format data cell I can change the axes. This is the line chart. Next one is pie chart. Pie chart shows the size of items in one data series proportional to the sum of the items. The data points in a pie chart are shown as a percentage of whole pie. For this, I will select the data range and press Alt and F1 button. By default, column chart appears. From here, I will change the chart type. Now select pie chart. From here I can choose any one which I like. This one, you see, this is the pie chart. By clicking, this pie chart appears. From this chart style, I can change the data as I require. As per requirement, I can choose the style. Similarly, here you select this one, in this way it changes. You see, in this way it changes. From here you can, I will move here. From here you select this one and you see how it rotates. In this way it rotates. Pie explosion, this one, this way. You can explode the pie as per requirement. By changing the percentage, you can change this one, or by dragging this one you can change the explosion. Next one is bar chart. In bar chart, the categories are typically organized along the vertical axis and the values along the horizontal axis. Here the values and the categories are here. For this bar chart, first I have to select the data range and then go insert button, and from here you select bar chart, and from here I can choose 2D, 3D, cylindrical, conical, etc. I have choose here conical. You see, by simply shifting here I can show you. I can show the cylindrical one. I simply move this one here. You see, the style changes. In this way I can change the style. This is the cylindrical one. Similarly, here so many types are available. You see, in this way I can change the bar chart, or by this one I can change the bar chart. From here again I can change here. It is the bar chart. Okay, you see the style changes. Next one is area chart. Area chart can be used to plot change over time and draw attention to the total value across the trend. By showing the sum of the plotted values, an area chart also shows the relationship of part to a whole. If I change the number here, you see the chart style and plot size has been changed. You see, in this way it changes. It changes in this way. You see, by changing the number, the area chart changes. For this, for insert the area chart, first have to select the data range, then go to insert, and from here I have to select the area chart. 2D or 3D, the type of chart I can choose from this here, from this window. You see, this is the area chart. By placing this one here, I can show you by simply changing the styles. You see how it works. You see this style changes. In this way, you see the style changes. Chart layout changes. By simply changing the number, you see the chart style changes. value changes, the chart also changes. You see, in this way area chart shows. Next one is XY scatter chart. A scatter chart has two values axis, a horizontal value and a vertical y axis value. It combines x and y values into a single data point and shows them in a irregular interval. Here I have an interval to 2020, 2021 and 2022, but the data shows in irregular interval. Here you see the intervals is irregular. Scattered charts are typically used for showing and comparing numeric values like scientific, statistical and engineering data. You see, first I will reduce the size. You simply shift this one. Now select this one and go to insert button and then scattered chart. From here I can choose any type of scattered chart. Here or this type or this type. In this way I can change the styles. In this way chart style can be changed from this predefined styles. Chart styles, it's predefined chart styles are available here. In this way I can change the XY scattered chart. Next one is surface chart. This chart is useful when you want to find optimum combination between two sets of data. As a topographical map, color and patterns indicates areas that are in the same range of values. You can create a surface chart when both categories and data series are numeric values. You simply change here. You see how the chart style changes. You see, changes in this way. By reducing this one size, I will show you. First select the data range, then go to the insert and then go to the, this one is bubble and surface chart, this one. You see how the surface chart changes. By simply changing the chart style, I can change the chart also. You see, in this way it changes. This is the surface chart. By changing the numeric value, you see how it changes. You see how it changes. You see, in this way it changes. Next one is radar chart. Radar charts compare the aggregate values of several data series. For this, I have to select the data range, then go to insert tab, then click on other charts. From here I can select the radar. Here I select this one. You see, in this way it changes. You see the style changes. From this I can change the chart style from here. This is the radar chart. Combo chart or combination chart. Combo chart combine two or more chart types to make the data easy to understand, especially when the data is widely varied. For this combo chart or combination chart, first I have to select this data range and then have to go to insert button, and from the other chart menus I can select the combo charts. That's all about the basic Excel charts. In my next video, I will show how to change the chart title, chart area, data labels, legend color, etc. Please comment me how this video is helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.